Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what Windows sees. Run dxdiag and read the system and display tabs to confirm Directx 8. 1 or older is required. Once done, download and run the Directx end-user redistributable to restore missing legacy libraries. Next, update your GPU driver to the latest stable release, then right-click the game exe, choose Properties, Compatibility, Run as Administrator, and set the recommended compatibility mode. These immediate steps restore core files and remove basic permission or compatibility blockers before deeper fixes. Now you repair and replace the game's runtime dependencies. Install the official DirectX legacy package to get ddraw, DLL, D3D8, DLL, and related files instead of grabbing random internet copies. Make sure to run an elevated command prompt and execute sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files that may affect DirectX. If particular DLLs remain faulty, unregister and re-register them with regsfer32 or copy clean versions from the redistributable into the game folder. These steps resolve most. Finish by running the game and testing different launch options. Try windowed mode, toggling resolution, or verifying the game files through the launcher and reinstall if necessary. If native Directx 8.1 still fails, install a compatibility wrapper such as dgvoodoo to translate old calls to modern Direct 3D. This often fixes rendering and startup failures. Finally, if problems persist, inspect Event Viewer and dxdiag logs for error codes, and consider rolling back a recent driver or Windows update as the single troubleshooting tip that often resolves regressions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.